Hello friends, today we discuss floral characters of different flowers. The object is to study the floral characteristics of family Fabaceae or Leguminaceae by dissection of a model flower, that is Clitoria ternitea. Classification are as division Angiospermae, class Dicotyledon, family Fabaceae or Leguminaceae, genus Clitoria and species ternitea, and this flower is commonly known as butterfly pea. Characters of family Leguminaceae or Fabaceae. Flower is zygomorphic. Corolla are papilionaceous or butterfly shaped. There are 10 stamens and diadelphous condition is present. Marginal placentation is present and waxillary estivation. Economic important plants of family Fabaceae are as Vigna mungo and Vigna radiata are edible plants. Apres precatorius, commonly known as rati, and Placeriza glabra licorice are medicinal plants. Clitoria ternitea and Ladyrus odoratus, commonly known as sweet pea, are ornamental plants. Let us see in the diagram the floral diagram and diagram of different floral parts of plant Clitoria ternitea. Now inflorescence. Inflorescence is racemose type. Flower is complete, pedicellate, bracteate, hermaphrodite or bisexual, zygomorphic, hypogynous, pentamerous and papilionaceous. Calyx, 5 sepals are present and fusion is gamosepalous. Sepals are jointed to each other, hence gamosepalous condition, and estivation of sepals is velvet and odd sepals is anterior in position. Corolla 5 petals and fusion is polypetalous, means all petals are free from each other. Papilionaceous petals, that is the posterior petal is largest, called standard. 2 lateral petals are called wings and inner 2 anterior petals fuse to form boat shaped structure called the keel, and estivation of petals is waxillary. Now androecium, 10 stamens are present. There are diadelphous condition, means 2 groups of stamens, di means 2 groups of stamens, and there are 9 plus 1 arrangement of stamens. 9 fused stamens are placed anteriorly and 1 free stamen is placed posteriorly. Anthers are basifixed, means attached to the base. Dithecous and introse. Gynoecium, carpal, monocarpillary condition is here, and unilocular. Ovary is superior and unilocular. Style is long and little curved. Stigma flattened or feathery, and marginal placentation is present. Now the another flower is Helianthus anus. Now object is to study the floral characteristics of family Asteraceae, and old name of family Asteraceae is Compositae. So to study the floral characteristics of family Asteraceae or Compositae through dissection of flower Helianthus anus. Now classification, division as angiospermy, class Dicotyledone, family Asteraceae or Compositae, genus Helianthus and species Anus. Now characteristics of the family. Capitulum inflorescens is present in the Helianthus anus. Calyx is pappus. 5 syngenesious stamens are present, and interior ovary and basal placentation is present. Economic important plants of the family Asteraceae provides food, dye, oil and medicines. Calendula officinalis is medicinal plant. Marigold, chrysanthemum and calendula are ornamental plant. Chicory intybus, seeds of which normally blended with coffee, and Helianthus tuberosus. Both of these flowers are edible. Oil yielding plants is Catharanthus tinctorius or safflower, and seeds of Helianthus anus also used for oil. Now let us see the different floral parts of the flower Helianthus anus. Inflorescence, capitulum with involucres. It consists of two types of flowers. There are two types of flowers, means ray florets, that is ligule type, and disc florets, which are tubular type. Now first we discuss about ray florets. Position of ray florets are these flowers arranged on the periphery of capitulum. And floral characters, bracteate means bracts are present, sessile, incomplete, pentamerous, zygomorphic and ligulate, pistillate, irregular and epigynous. Calyx is absent or 3 and modified into pappus. Corolla, 5 petals are present. Gamopetalous condition and having a short basal tube. Androecium is absent, so ray floret, commonly known as incomplete flower. Now gynoecium, carpel is absent or bicarpellary condition. Syncarpus, ovary is inferior and unilocular, single style is present, and bifid and hairy stigma with basal placentation. Now disc florets. Disc florets are arranged in the central part of the capitulum. Floral characters of disc florets are as bracteate, sessile, complete. as compared to Biflorets, tubular, actinomorphic, pentamerous, bisexual and epigynous condition. Calyx is reduced and modified into 2 to 3 scales called pappus. Corolla consists of 5 petals, gamopetalous condition and tubular, and velvet estivation of corolla. 5 stamens are present in androecium, syngenesious condition and epipetalous. Anthers are dithecous, bilobed, basifix and introse. Bicarpellary condition in gynoecium, syncarpus. Both carpels are fused, inferior ovary and unilocular, long style with bifid stigma and basal placentation. Thank you and have a nice day.